Hi guys, so I'm back with another little journal, and this one is one that my sister made. It's a little mini journal, and it is a little one cat theme. It's a hardcover. It's about, I'll have the descriptions in her listing, but I think it's about 5 by 5. It's fabric covered, super cute. It's got a little metal book plate here. The spine has rosettes. It's got a 1-inch spine. It has 2 signatures. Cute little tassel hanging with a bow pin, so it's removable. And the back looks like that. She's got a little dangly charm here with 2 little hearts hanging with a bow pin, and then 2 little bells hanging with a bow pin. Metal corners and grommets with seam binding and like a pink sheer ribbon closure. So let's get right in. This is perfect because you could put you know, a date or your name or whatever have you. So inside she has a pocket. Show you. Put something in there. She has a fabric belly band here with some fibers here. Excuse me, a little fabric bow here. A little journaling card with kitty cats backed onto coffee dyed paper. The inside is cardstock. She lined it with cardstock. Some coffee dyed paper. She has some crochet trim stitched on the pages. She has parchment paper. Little cute little envelope here. I made it out of book pages. Little cute little tag there with avocado dyed paper. Little die cut there, some trim here. And that's a pocket in the back. 2 cute little kitty cats. Tags. So cute. And that gets tucked right back in there. Some crochet trim. Some eco dyed paper. And here she has an envelope that just closes with, it's like one of those old, you know, what is it, policy envelopes with the string, vintage button there, or wooden button I should say, with some ribbon there. And I'm not sure if she put anything in here. Yes, she did. Cute little tag here of a kitty stitched onto avocado dyed paper. And that just closes back. And then in the back is open and has another little tag. Some vintage music. So although it's, you know, small, but it's still very comfortably writable. Little stamp there, a little tab here, little envelope here. Another little tag. Kitty cats. And in here she has some crochet trim here. Some more tracing paper and music paper. Look at how cute. Oh, so cute. And that's backed onto eco dyed paper. Little pocket here with some ribbon and a little flower applique there. Some more eco dyed paper and some lined paper. And here she has another little tag with some more kitties. She stitched onto coffee dyed paper. And then she has a corner flip. And this one has multiple, I like this because it has multiple pages. I like that. So lots of spaces for you to write on. That's pretty neat. And then she has some ribbon here and a little applique flower. More writing parchment paper. And more crochet trim here. Has another ribbon belly band with a applique crochet flower. And then she has two more tags. Another one holding a candle. So cute. She has a little fabric tip in here with some crochet trim there and a little piece of ribbon here. More trim here. Eco dyed paper. And here is another kitty looking out through a hole on wood. Super cute. And here's another, excuse me, corner flip with some ribbon and a little applique flower. And again, multiple spots for you to write on. Tracing paper and book pages. And eco dye paper. Super cute. It's very different. More tracing paper and music. And another fabric pocket here with some trim. And look at how cute she is. Oh, so adorable. I think that's eco dye, I'm not sure. And that goes back into that little fabric pocket. Parchment paper, and this is a little black little sack, and it's open in the back with some more kitties. Super cute. We love kitty cats. And then in here, in the little sack, is another little tag. Super cute. And then another little envelope here with another little kitty cat image. That's a mama and her kittens. And this one has more crochet trim here. And more crochet trim here. And then this is the charm. Hanging from a bow pin. And then here is that cute kitten in a bigger tag. Oh my god, I can't with her. She's so cute. And then she has like a little crochet doily here with a little metal flower in the middle. And a little belly band here. More coffee dye paper and music. Tracing and coffee and line and eco dye paper. And this is some vintage paper that she found in the States. It feels so nice. And look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is a ribbon pocket with some trim and little tiny applique flowers. And then for the back, she has another back pocket with some crochet trim here. And then more kitty cats. Oops. And that is the back of that one. Super cute journal, perfect for throw it in your handbag. You can remove the tassel if you don't want it. She didn't put anything in the front cover because that cover is just so cute with all those kittens. Look at that. And it's fabric. It's so cute. So this is listed on her Etsy. I'll leave the link below in the description. Stop in and check it out. She's listed some playing cards too. And she has right now, she put some of the books on sale. So she got some really nice books over there. So if you haven't checked it out, stop in and check it out, guys. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and take care, guys. Bye.